Yan. Today, I'm going to cook udong with chicken. So, ganyan lang siya. Ginisa ko na yung garlic and ginisa ko siya sa garlic and onion. And then, next is the chicken. So, what I need to do next is to flip it. Each. By one, and then lagyan ko siya na I put already ground pepper, and lagyan ko siya ng asin ng konti. Later lagyan ko siya ng soy sauce, and then i-drag hanggang maging mag-brown siya ng konti, and then I'll put water, and then the udong. Ayan guys, brown na siya. So lagyan na natin ng tubig, 2 baso. Oh. Tapos ilagay natin yung udong. Ayan. So, ano pa pala natin? We'll just wait till it boil muna siya ng 2 minutes. And then, we'll put the udong na. So, as you can see, kumukulo na siya. So, we'll just wait for 1 more minute. And then, we'll just put the udong there. I use only 10 pieces. So, yep. I'll be right back. Ayan, so nilagay ko na po. Just stir it until it cooks. And then later, konti na lang yung niyan. Sabaw. Kasi hihigupin niya ng udong. So, later. Yan, it looks so good. I wanna eat now. And then later, lalagyan natin siya ng isang egg. So, para mas masarap siya. Ayan, it looks so good. Wala pa akong breakfast and lunch. Kasi I'm skipping lunch. Nag-intermittent ako. I will work out after this. The time now is 3:22 p.m. So, I'll be right back na sa final set natin. Pag-ilagay ko na sa plate. Ayan, we put already the egg. So, malapit na. I'm so excited to eat. I am. There. Yan, it looks so good. I want to eat na. It's already cooked. So, that's our menu for today. And that is udong with chicken. And, wow, with egg as well. So, ayan lang yung food natin. No need na mag-rice kasi meron na tayong carbs. That would be like a lot.